Good afternoon there, YouTube. It's your friend, the Drone Trucker, on the Driver Lounge YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial of setting yourself up on backing into a hole at a truck stop, or shipper, or receiver, whichever may be. Right now I got my Mavric Pro up in the air right now, so let's go see what we got. You know, safety first always at truck stop. Always watch your mirrors. And you always want to watch around corners. You want to stay out far as you can, because if you don't go out too far going around a corner or something like that, you're pretty much going to hit something right now. So so far we're recording. So I'm just over here at Rafine, Virginia. Me and my students over here, we delivering to Gordonsville, Virginia in the morning. So I'm kind of doing a little tutorial on this, so see what happens. You know, I'm new to new to all this, trying to record, vlog, and all that stuff. So, but yeah, if you ever get a chance, go to our Facebook page called the Driver Lounge Facebook page. We got a lot of good stuff going to go on. We're also building a web page called the driverlounge.com. My partner, my buddy's working on that, so here we go. Alright, so I'm setting up right now. I see my spot, so make sure, okay, right there. So right here, I'm looking at there, I'm going to cut hard to the right. I'm going to keep it cut hard right, and then I'm going to start coming back to the left. And then I'm going to look out my window, make sure I'm lined up. Okay, so, alright, so now I'm at this is what they call a decent 45. So to my right, I got a line that, a truck could be parked there. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it hard right. I'm watching my tandems. And then I'm watching that line. And then I'm going to go ahead and start coming back with it. I'm still watching that line on there. I'm going to come back hard left. Alright, I'm still good on that yellow line. So, because the good thing is you want to stay as close. Okay, now I can see I need to go ahead and come back to the right a little bit and back up just a few feet, and then I start chasing it in. Now it kind of looks like I'm a little bit deep a little bit, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to the right, and then I'm gonna come back to the left. So sometimes you gotta work it in there. Up, see? Now in this situation, what you want to do, see, I'm on that yellow line, so you want to come back to the right or left a little bit, and then you want to come back to the right. Still imagine there's a truck there. So now I got my kink out of my trailer, so I'm gonna come back to the left. All right, so that helped out a lot. And then when I get to a certain point, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it to the right to come around the hole. And then I'm going to start chasing it, because you don't want to stay too hard in the right. You want to go slow. Okay, right there, I need to come back to the right a little bit to come back in, or hard right. Come back in a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start chasing it in. All right. Now, and then when you start chasing it. So at this point, you kind of want to go ahead and pull to the right and straighten yourself up, because you don't want to keep doing it. Now I'm doing a snake move. So now I'm pretty well lined up with the hole, so now I just need to make small little adjustments. So I'm gonna come to the right a little bit. I'm gonna come back to the left. And then just, you know, just small adjustments. Watch both mirrors. It goes easy. If you go too fast, you're going to get yourself all messed up and in a pickle. Keep on going, but don't be afraid. I will tell you right now, do not be afraid to get out. I don't care if it's 1,000 times, 100 times, one time. Get out as much as possible, because if you don't, you're going to end up hitting something, and then it's going to cost you money, it's going to cost you time, and possibly cost you losing your job. So usually when there's a curb back there, I just usually keep going back as long as nothing's behind me until I feel that bump on the curb. So like right there, I felt the bump. Pull your brakes, and you get out, look, make sure. So stay tuned. You know, I'm gonna try to get more videos. I'm gonna do some pre-trip videos. I'm gonna do a whole lot more stuff. Definitely check out that YouTube channel, the Driver Lounge on YouTube. Me and my, we're gonna try to get some more content. Check us out on Facebook, on the Driver Lounge Facebook page, and then my buddy's working on working on the website. So great content coming. So stay tuned. Drive safe. Keep it good.